So I'm going to show you how to replace your RC car controller batteries. So this is a controller of an RC car. To replace the batteries, just use a screwdriver. You might get one in the packaging of your RC car, or you can just use any star screwdriver. Okay, so any screwdriver that looks like this. You need to find the compartment where the batteries go. So there's going to be a screw at the end of that compartment, so just put it in there and unscrew that screw. So once the screw is out, or when it's sufficiently elongated like that, you can just pull out, you can just use the tip of your finger to just open that door. Okay, simple as that. So now you can see this particular one takes two AA size batteries. So simply remove the ones that are there. So to remove them, let me just put these ones quickly. To remove the batteries, all you have to do is just pull out like this. They're spring loaded, both of them. And then I'll take your new batteries. I'm going to assume these are the new batteries. And then you want to start with the negative sides, go to the spring, okay, like that. So just push like that. And this other one, the negative side goes to this spring, just like that, okay. Then now you can put the cover back. Start with the back like this, and then finish with the front, and then you can screw that in place. Simple as that. Now make sure you turn on the controller. Some controllers will have a switch that you can use to turn it on or off. Okay, so mine is on currently. So that's basically how to replace the controller batteries of your RC car. Thanks for watching and good luck.